Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious beef steak. First, let's talk about choosing the right cut. For the best results, opt for cuts like ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon. These offer excellent tenderness and rich flavor. Always look for good marbling, which are those small flecks of fat throughout the meat. They contribute significantly to juiciness. A steak at least 1 1/2 inches thick is ideal for even cooking and a perfect sear. Once you have your perfect steak, preparation is key. Begin by thoroughly patting your steak dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that beautiful, crispy crust when you cook it. Next, season generously. Use coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. For an extra layer of flavor, you might also consider a sprinkle of garlic powder or a touch of paprika. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It makes a big difference. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Pan-searing in a cast-iron skillet is a fantastic method for developing a rich, flavorful crust. Heat your skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly, aiming for around 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a high smoke point oil. Then carefully place your steak in the hot pan. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a perfect medium rare, adjusting based on your steak's thickness and desired doneness. The final and arguably most important step is resting your steak. Once cooked, transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire cut, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and juicy. Finally, slice your steak against the grain for maximum tenderness and an appealing presentation. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.